What's up, everyone? Thanks for tuning in for another video where we talk about using the Pocket Option Broker to do binary option trading. If you are new to the channel, take some time to look at the previous videos to bring yourself up to speed on what we've been talking about up until now. If you haven't done so, consider signing up for Pocket Option. That way you can start making money like the rest of us and reaching your financial freedom goals. Using TradingView. What I'm going to show you is how you can get free signals. Now, here is the euro and the Japanese yen. Then you can go down and you can click on to where it says technicals. And it brings up all the technicals. It says oscillator, summary, and moving averages. And as you can see, the meter is going, either sell or buy, telling you to either sell or buy. What you need to pay attention to, you need to move it from 1 day to 1 minute, especially if you're on 1 minute trades. Then you need to look back and forth to make sure your pairs are matching from Pocket Option to TradingView. Even if you're using a stochastic, even if you're using another indicator, stochastic or an RSI, just make sure you have that same setup in TradingView. Okay, I'm going to make sure everything is lined up, and we're going to take a sample trade to see whether or not if these signals are pretty good. I've used them before. Sometimes they hit, sometimes they don't. But either way, let's see what happens. Okay, the two indicators that we are going to use is going to be the CCI and the stochastic. These work awesome together, and you will see by the entries that I make on each one of my trades. Let's see now. Here are the settings for the stochastic. The styles, remember your 80 and 20. When it's 80, it's overbought and you're looking to take a sell. When it's under the 20, you're looking to take a buy. Especially pay attention to the signal line if it's pointing upwards, pushing through the line. Okay, so let's save that. Now for the CCI, I'm going to leave it on the default settings. Period 20. All right. What we're looking for is really for how I use it. I try to make sure that the CCI signal is matching with stochastic. Okay, same thought process, but I'm using the stochastic really as my leader a little bit, and I'm also looking up to see whether or not if the CCI is matching with it. Now, as you can see, there's a negative 100 here and 100. So under the negative 100, still we're looking for a buy, and if it's above the 100, we're looking for a sell. Let's see how these trades play out.
Talk to you for hours, and we stay up all night. And when morning came, we'd make breakfast in bed. I don't know why we threw away what we had. picture of you, a picture of you, a picture of you, a picture of you, a picture of you. You and me, everything that we've been through has made us strong. You won't believe we've had our gray, but somewhere there's a light inside of us. It shows the way. Not looking for no, cause I got you. I got you. Don't wanna show us off, but you're my all that I need. I'm telling you why. This ain't no madness. The smoke in the mirrors are memories. Now the sun has come down like a river rushing way up above. This ain't no sugar-coated love. Yeah, this ain't sugar-coated love.
And that's it. If you're still struggling, consider scheduling a coaching call. Check out the ebook so you can identify and nail those candlesticks that win, find money to trade, and learn how to grow a small account with one trade a day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.
Not looking for no, cause I got you.